Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Guys, we have to talk here about Bitcoin and the crypto market. We have here some very horrible sell-off scenarios right now. I already released a video on XRP yesterday and you can see that XRP lost already 48%. Yes, the dip got bought up. I've explained everything here in the XRP video. You can find it on my channel. But guys, this is the first signal that we have here some weakness in the market, or better to say, yeah, supply and demand. And here and that, yeah, let's call it high price ranges for Bitcoin is not enough demand anymore to hold the price. We need here a lot of volume to drive the price up. I let you know here my chart analysis, guys. I am still bullish here, to be honest. Even we have this kind of shakeouts here, I'm still bullish. But of course, this is not financial advice, and that doesn't mean that I would buy Bitcoin here in these price ranges. I always try to get the lowest possible prices here in the market. So guys, let's start with the chart analysis. I zoom out for you that you can see what is going on. So Bitcoin is in a very strong uptrend here. We have this trend channel pattern, and you can see, let me switch off here this boring indicator. So you can see that Bitcoin is trading here in this trend channel pattern, and every time when we hit here the top line of this trend channel, we had a sell-off reaction. That is normal, guys, for every asset in the market here. We have that for stocks, gold, oil, Bitcoin, it doesn't matter, guys. This is the normal trading pattern which we have for most of the assets here, and Bitcoin is also respecting this pattern. But what happened right now is that we squeezed, even really squeezed out of this pattern here, and you can see that we squeezed here already more than 48% out of this trend channel pattern. So there is a new trend building up for Bitcoin, but that does not mean that this trend channel pattern is not valid anymore, guys. So first of all, let's talk about the bull case. Yeah, I think that this is not yet a market sell-off. We have to wait what the stock market will do today, but I think that the market is not ready yet to sell off. I think the sell-off will come very soon. I expect that definitely this year, maybe already in the first quarter or latest in May, June, but I will keep you updated here on the channel. But for now, Bitcoin, in my opinion, is not ready yet to sell off. We have here some significant resistance price level here at around $105,000, but I think, guys, the landing zone for Bitcoin is between $124,000 and $144,000. So that is here an unusual squeeze which we have out of this trend channel. When I see the total structure of these trend channels then, and use here some Fibonacci extensions, then I think, guys, that here is the landing zone for Bitcoin. That could be the final shakeout here before we see the last phase of the squeeze, and then, guys, then we will see here a huge sell-off, in my opinion. This is not to scare you, and this is not a financial advice, guys. This is just what I think that happens over and over again. We had the same structure here when Bitcoin built this kind of double top pattern here, and then we had our sell-off. And what is very dangerous right now, that we have here, guys, a really bad RSI pattern. It was the same for XRP. I mentioned that in my previous videos. I said, be careful, we have the same pattern. There's a bearish divergence, guys. That means the price is going up and the RSI is going down. Please watch the video if you want to see the details, guys. And we have the same, unfortunately, for Bitcoin. When we had that last time, that was also exactly here. You can see we had higher highs. We built this double top pattern here with a higher high here back in November 2021, but the RSI was already very weak. We can see here the RSI is building here very low highs here from this point to this point, and that is dangerous, guys. This is a red zone in trading, and you can see that the sell-off just started here for Bitcoin. And now we have the same constellation, guys. Here was the top RSI overbought here. I have a special RSI here which I'm using to track crypto, and you can see that we now again hit here the overbought area on the dot, and still the price is going higher, but the RSI is losing strength. So there is one scenario, guys. As I said, I think we are not ready yet here to sell off. I think we have to come a little bit higher, and then the market will collapse. Not only Bitcoin, not only crypto, guys, everything, also stocks, everything will collapse. And I think this is just a matter of time until we hit here this landing zone, as at least based on the market signals which we have right now. That's one of the reasons, guys, why I usually trade here short squeeze stocks. I also cover crypto on my channel, but I love to trade short squeeze stocks, guys, because short squeeze stocks have a little bit of a different setup, not technical setup, but in the background we have some different constellations why short squeezes are very predictable. Chart technique works in the same way as it works for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but stocks, guys, are very volatile and you can also make huge profits here. They also have here pump and dump, and you can see here just 2024, the last trading days here around Christmas, we had here short squeezes from 107 to 480% after my video prediction here. I always release here my so-called hot stock videos. So if you also want to trade stocks, short squeeze stocks, guys, you can of course join our Patreon here. Then you get access to my hot stocks. This is my personal finest selection of short squeeze stocks where I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days, guys. We have here a very huge trading community. We're growing every day. And if you also want to become of this trading community, you can join here the full package membership on Patreon. Then you get access to my hot stocks, to my trading alerts and all this content, which you can see here, guys. When you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link. Yo, guys, so what I want to show you is this. Bitcoin is still in a very, very bullish uptrend pattern here, of course, overall, guys. Yeah, no matter how high or how deep we will fall, yeah, better to say how deep we will fall, Bitcoin is in a very strong uptrend. The only thing what I don't like is that we have this bearish divergence here on the RSI. Overall, we have this supportive trend line here for Bitcoin, and I think it is very possible that we retest this one more time before we see here the final push to the upside here. And then, as I mentioned, I expect a landing zone between $124,000 and $144,000. Why this range, guys? Because it is everything here based on algos. You can draw, a couple of trend lines here in the chart, and then based on this trend line, the price could be $124,000 or $144,000, depending on the time frame. This is here an ascending trend channel pattern, and I think we have the same pattern here above for Bitcoin, guys. Yeah, that looks not good. So when you see something like that here everything starts to fall down 2 digits, yeah, I mean XRP lost almost 48% here in total. This is a warning sign, guys. That means that the market makers can just pull the rug and manipulate the price. You have to respect that. It is not everything here a straight line to the upside. We can also see here a straight line to the downside. I mean, it was the same here. Bitcoin had its high here at $68,000. That was in November 2021. And that was exactly, guys, exactly the beginning of the market crash. That's why I say it doesn't matter if you trade crypto or stocks. Everything will start to tank down if we see the top of the market, and I think we are very, very close to that here. Bitcoin, by the way, lost minus 77%, and if we would lose that here in the same fashion, let's say from the actual price, that would mean minus 77%. We come somewhere here around $24,000. I know nobody wants to hear that. We have a very strong demand zone here at $30,850. So here is a very strong support for Bitcoin. It is possible that we just hold here this trend channel bottom line, but in a market sell-off, guys, that is possible if we should squeeze here back here in this price range, let's say somewhere here in between $136,000, and we should see a 77% sell-off. You can see we landing exactly here at this demand zone at $30,850. I know normal people don't want to hear that, guys, but this is trading. The market makers did that once and they will do it again. This is how trading works. Everything is moving up in waves here, and that's why sooner or later also a very interesting currency like Bitcoin will start to crash down. I hope I'm wrong, guys. I will keep you updated here on my channel, but I just give you here my very, very honest chart analysis. So, guys, if you want to copy here the price goals for Bitcoin from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. I can highly recommend that program. If you also want to learn trading, then I just say invest in yourself and invest in a good chart tool. This is what you at least need to do. This is everything you need to learn trading, guys. I can give you here a $15 discount link for TradingView on the premium tier. When you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to this TradingView discount link. So, my friends, that was the update on Bitcoin. I hope that was helpful for you. If you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute mit Bitcoin und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.